company. How may I help you? Hello, but it's your home service. Yes, ma'am. What's wrong with your computer, ma'am? I guess the internal storage is full because the computer goes hanging. Well, ma'am, I think you need to format it, but we will check it first before applying solutions. Okay, miss. By the way, what's your name? I am Edessa Aguno, Solution, one of the technician team in the company. Can I have your name, address, and phone number? Okay, I'm currently under my location is 615M, Naval Street, Napota City. Alright, ma'am. I'll be there in 20 minutes. Okay, I'm